Right then guys, hello and welcome to the first episode of PX Vlogs. This is the first video I'm making with this new camera. As you can see, I'm on a Vespa PX here. Well, it's more of the LML Star type scooter, but they're basically the same thing. But I'm on that, and I've had this scooter for about a year or so now, and the first sort of thing I wanted to do was make moto vlogs with it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making this quick video just to see how everything goes. I'm just on my way to work on the scooter. So yeah, I just hope to be making some videos of ride outs and just occurrences that I do on my scooter. I'm in a few clubs here in Tamworth. We have a club called the B77, and they usually ride on a Sunday to events that are on and about dotted around the Tamworth area. And there's another club called Tamworth Scooter Collective, and they also have ride outs in the week. We went just last week. We went to the Mucky Duck at Fradley, which was a bike night, but we just turned up and there was a few scooters there, GS's and a few Lambrettas, but we just tried to get out as much as we can. So my bike has a 177 Malossi kit in it. Malossi or Polini? I think it's a Polini kit, sorry. And it's recently just acquired a SIP V2 exhaust. It does me well. The bike will probably do about 65, 70 at the top, which isn't too bad for a scooter at all. If you own one yourself, you know that sometimes you can probably get the best part of a 50, 60 mile an hour out of it, but this one does me quite well. I use it every day. There's very rarely a day that goes by that I'm not on this scooter, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to choose an LML, because the LMLs are a bit more reliable than an original sort of PX, let's say from the 80s. There's less to go wrong with one of these, and there's more parts available for these to restore them back to how they was. So that's one reason I went for one. There was a little Royal Alloy there, and yeah, it's never done me wrong, this scooter. I've recently just painted the mudguard and the two side panels there. I've recently just painted them black, and just took a few stickers on the front there, as you can see. I'm slowly trying to get it up to the standard that I want it to. It's not quite there yet. I'm thinking about getting another exhaust, because this SIP exhaust is a bit quiet for my liking. I like the Scorpion ones where they're quite loud and noisy as you go down the road at 10 o'clock at night. As I go down the road at 10 o'clock at night on this, it just doesn't sound how I want it yet. So I'll be doing videos on me modding the scooter if that ever comes, or if I was building another one, which I do hope to do soon. I hope to build a Lambretta chopper. So yeah, that was just a quick little video to introduce the channel. So stay tuned for some more videos, and I'll catch you guys later.